Senator Morden.
Thank you, Pierre. Beautiful day today. I think it's a signal that it's again exam time in the country when we have our state exams. And almost a week into it, I know it's a bit late coming, but the sun has come out today. But I actually thought that for the first time, maybe in a couple of years, we were actually going to go through the state exams without having a query or a question on a paper being raised. But, Leader, I would like to raise a very serious matter that has been brought to my attention in relation to the higher maths paper in recent days. And I read in conjunction with this an article in the Irish Times on a recent University of Limerick study which alarmingly showed that in the period between 2003 to 2013, students' mathematical ability when entering higher education had declined significantly. Now, on this year's And another thing that they pointed out on that report as well was regarding Project Maths, indicated that a B at higher level in the Leaving Cert now would have resulted in a grade C. And there's a huge discrepancy in points in a grade C 10 years ago. This is a huge discrepancy in points. I would like to just refer to the higher level maths paper that came up last week. And I know from speaking with a lot of students who dropped from higher level to ordinary level maths as late as Easter, because they felt they didn't need the subject, they didn't need the extra pressure, and that's what we're trying to do, is not put additional pressure on students who just said, right, well, I've got a safe subject if I take my ordinary level maths, who went into that exam last Friday and were confronted with the exact same question, give or take a couple of things. It is the exact same things that they were looking for on question 9 on the higher level paper in 2013. Now, to my mind, if you've got a higher level paper and you've got a question on it, which I have here, you don't put the same question on to an ordinary level paper 2 years later. The difference in the points for an A1 on a higher level maths paper is 125 points for an A. I will, yeah. This is a very, very serious matter.
Suitable for commencement.
But if I could just finish my point, it's 125 points for a grade A1 at higher level maths. It's 60 points for an A1 on an ordinary level maths. Same question coming up on both papers. So yes, I am calling for a debate on this with the Minister for Education to come in and clarify this, and I will also take it up as a commencement debate.